I grew up on the Navajo reservation of New Mexico. It's called Church Rock. It's a little community that is near Gallup, New Mexico. My great-grandmother has over 200 acres of land that she sustained for generations to generations. So my grandparents, my uncles, aunties, grandmas, grandpas, cousins, siblings, like parents, everybody have all a piece of that land and occupy it still today. Yat e she Winona Miller yin shed chishin shlon twabajanaja bashichin but ani dash che torachini dashanella. Hello, my name is Winona Miller. I can talk all day long about my daughters. So my oldest daughter, her name is Iona. Her is 18 years old, and my youngest daughter is 10. Well, parenting in two worlds means being able to enrich ourselves in our cultures, to find our identity and sustain that while we're here in the city, because we know that on the reservation we have limited opportunities, and a lot of that comes from, the economic system.
Being from the reservation is a lot different than growing up here in the city, so we try to teach our kids both ways. And hi, my name is Marvin Shirley. Originally from Granada, Arizona, but reside in the Valley and Chandler, Arizona.
Yeah, it's Antinet Shirley in a shit. Sit not gene in a slow twitch, any bushes gene. Sena Bethany does a chedo, Kabai, Dashanella. My name is Antinet Shirley. I'm from the Navajo Nation, originally from a place called Clagato, Arizona. The Parenting in Two Worlds by Phoenix Indian Center was such a great idea for those of us that move off the reservations and live here in the city.
Growing up, we are based on the culture, faith, and beliefs. We want to bring that to our kids as well. What was taught down to us, we want to teach that to our young as well. So not just the language, but culture, heritage, the basics that we've grown up with on the reservation. And we try to tell them, don't be ashamed of where you come from. Know who you are, know who you are, be proud of who you are as a Native American.
I think that parenting in two worlds is important because you learn strategies to help your children grow up and not be so reserved of, I can't say that, or all the kids are different from me and they do this and do that. I'm not going to eat, mutton, or no, I'm not going to eat fry bread because that's not what my classmates eat. Without my cultural identity, I'm just another person. And it's like those values of having culture is sacred. It's extremely important to know who we come from, who we are, and where we're going. If we don't have those values, I feel like a lot of families crumble, and a lot of people get lost in the world.
There are families that need guidance. As parents, it's we want to let them live the best of both worlds.